This is the Kranzle K7. They're pretty bulletproof. Got it off eBay. I think it was 500, just over £500. It's got adjustable pressure. It's very quiet. The actual the generator that I run it on is a 2.8 kVA, so it runs really good on that. I know they do the bigger one, is it the K10, but you need a much bigger generator to run that one. The hose is 10 meters, really durable, doesn't kink. The lance is really good quality, really nice to handle. They're just absolutely brilliant. I mean, I've used it for a few months now, and it's, you just plug it in, switch it on, put your water on, away you go. It's just absolutely brilliant. I would definitely, if you're doing professional mobile valeting, it's you know, if you look after them, I think you have to change the oil after 50 hours, and after that I think it's every 250 hours. It's a really good pressure washer. You definitely can't go wrong.